Hello, Bame Farm fans. The planter is almost empty. What's really empty is the back of the 250. It's been running fertilizer, and the skid steer is doing a fantastic job of lifting the pallets of fertilizer up. So let's take a view of how that goes. Oh, what do you think of that? That's pretty smooth. Really impressed with the skid steer. There's 45, 50-pound bags on a skid, so that's 2250 in weight. And the L775 is rated right at a ton. So we're 250 pounds over being safe, but we got out there just fine, thanks to our lovely weight kit. The loader tractor wouldn't be able to do that. If we had the proper forks for the front, granted the bucket out there is probably wasting some weight, you know, so if we had a proper pallet forks, maybe, just maybe we could lift one of those up, but the skid steer handles it so much nicer. And we don't have to worry about using the forklift from the back of the tractor. That is wonderful. We'll probably still keep the forklift around because that has its useful moments. Especially when we gotta lift something really heavy that only the 3-point on a tractor can lift. So this has been a little bit of fun. Reloading fertilizer.